Hello everyone, welcome back to Trampoline Workout Dude. And today we're going to show you 10 amazing rebounding exercises that you can do at home. Now stay tuned because at the end of the video, I'll show you how to implement these exercises into your own home workout. So stay tuned. So the first exercise is going to be the squat jumping jacks. So you want to put your legs close together, squat down a bit, arms forward, and you're going to jump, open your legs, and at the same time open your arms, and you're going to close them at the same time. Now watch me. Alright, the next exercise will be 2 in, 2 out, like this. Our next rebounding exercise is going to be side to side knee raise. Here we go, and it goes something like this. Alright, the next exercise is going to focus on your balance. This is called lunge balance. So you're going to get into the lunge position, lay back, you're going to lift up. Make sure you alternate between legs. Right, the next exercise on the rebound is going to be the side to side ski mat. You're going to go like this. Side to side. Side to side. So the next exercise we're going to be doing the single leg knee tuck. Bouncing 2 times. One leg, lifting it up. Next exercise we have is the bouncing push-ups. This is good for toning your arms. It's a side to side bounce. So here's the 10th and final exercise. This is called the side to side step for cooling off. You're going to make sure you do it on both feet first, okay? So I hope that you like these 10 amazing rebounder exercises. If you can like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and comment in the section, and till next time.